Fusilli alla Mediterranean. Pasta with fresh tomato, capers, basil, olives and shaved pecorino romano. 8 ingredients. A side dish from Italy. Serves 4. Step 1. Chop the ripe tomato and the basil, add the pitted olives, the capers, the garlic, chopped anchovies, and olive oil, abundant freshly ground pepper, olive oil. Step 2. Add the cheese sliced with potato peeler. Mix gently. Step 3. Boil the fusilli al dente and add to the sauce, toss and serve immediately. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.